sweeping the internet. These are amazing because they are cookies that don't have any flour. So that is sort of the healthy-ish angle. That said, I just added 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and I'm getting ready to add a cup of chunky peanut butter to the bowl. So I'm not saying they're like low calorie or 0 calorie. Plenty of calories in these cookies, but there's no flour. So there's one great angle that you can sing the praises about. And also add an egg. And then, believe it or not, it's time to start mixing. You can do this by hand, but I have found that with this cookie in particular, using a hand mixer is just a little bit better. It really mixes it up nicely. Okay, this is all mixed together. So now I'm going to measure 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And it's sort of a chocolate peanut butter extravaganza explosion. So I'll just use the spoon to stir the chocolate chips in by hand. It's a really, really sticky mixture, and you just can't even believe that it comes together to make a cookie. But you must trust Pioneer Woman. It works. Okay, so I'm going to get a little pinch of the dough, roll it in a ball, and put it on parchment on a sheet pan. And then I'm going to actually do a little crosshatch pattern. I'll go one direction with the fork, and if it gets too sticky, which it just did, I'm going to dip it in water and go the other direction. And then I'll take a little sea salt and sprinkle it right on top. Oh, I could just actually eat this right now. It's so good. So I'm going to do the exact same thing with the rest of the dough. Watch and be amazed. Last one. A little bit of salt. Oh, these look so good and they're not even baked yet. So let's put them in the oven page. Okay, these are going to bake at 375 degrees for about 12-15 minutes until they're done. See you back here for cookie time. Cookies. They've been cooling. They are a miracle. There's no way that there isn't any flour in these cookies. So, you want to try one, Paige? Stu?
I'll try one.
Stu can go for it.
Yeah, let's do it
Peanut
together.
butter, right?
Here, cheers before we take
Cheers.
a bite. Ready?
Ooh,
Mmm.
I love the peanut butter in there.
Oh my gosh.
This is really good.
How is there no flour in those?
I don't know.
You've got this sea salt on top, kind of that salty sweet, and then that hit of chocolate. These are amazing. You definitely don't miss the flour.